Scott and Mary Alice, I was in court today, but to fully understand where we're at in this case right now, you have to go back to July 3rd, where things took quite the turn when Tricia Vacanti unexpectedly died. It's a death that had many question marks over the past month, as the Niagara County District Attorney's Office was not initially notified of the death. The mysterious death of Tricia Vacanti has been confirmed as the district attorney informed the Lewiston Town Court Tuesday night that it received Vacanti's death certificate. Though no cause of death was revealed in court, her death results in the abatement of criminal charges.
This case has been allowed to stall for far too long. Tricia Vacanti is now dead. She was never required to appear for any deposition. She's not going to be available, obviously, to appear at trial.
Vacanti was charged with 41 counts of unlawfully dealing with a minor and endangering the welfare of a child at a 2018 party at her home, along with her husband Gary Solo and neighbor Jessica Long. She is also a defendant in a civil lawsuit filed by the parents of one of the teenage girls that alleged she, quote, groomed her before she was raped by Vacanti's son, Christopher Belter.
But unfortunately, Trish Vacanti, who played such a large role in what happened to my client, she will never have to answer for what she did.
A lack of answers, the victim's lawyer Steve Cohn says, leaves his client without justice.
The victim has been forgotten in this case. Judge Matthew Murphy, who has always been an exceptional judge, failed my client in this case. The criminal justice system failed my client.
With the trial for Vacanti's husband Gary Solo and neighbor Jessica Long still underway, the victim's lawyer hopes it will finally provide her with some closure.
There's no prize at the end of this case. This is about a young woman, she was a child at the time, who was raped, and if this process can result in closure for her to some extent, to some degree, that would be success.
Now, Scott and Mary Alice, the court will reconvene on September 20th to officially set a trial date for the criminal cases for both Gary Solo and Jessica Long. Reporting in the Information Center tonight, Andy Payton, Channel 2 News.